Hey there, homeowners. Let's talk about something that keeps your home cool and comfy all summer long. Your R-32 air conditioning system. Did you know that proper maintenance isn't just about keeping things running? It can also save you money, boost efficiency, and make sure your AC unit lasts for years. So let's dive right in and master some key maintenance practices for peak performance. First, let's understand what makes R-32 refrigerant so special. R-32 is a modern refrigerant designed to be energy efficient and eco-friendly. It has a lower global warming potential compared to older refrigerants, which is great news for the planet. But here's the catch. R-32 is mildly flammable. That means proper handling and maintenance are absolutely essential. All right, step one, filters. Your air filters are like the lungs of your AC system, trapping dust, pollen, and other particles. But when they get clogged, your system has to work harder, which wastes energy and money. I recommend checking filters monthly and replacing them every 1 to 3 months, depending on how much you use your AC and how dusty your environment is. Next up, coils. Over time, dirt and grime can build up on your evaporator and condenser coils, reducing their ability to transfer heat efficiently. Cleaning these coils once a year is a game changer. Just remember, turn off your unit before cleaning and use a proper coil cleaning solution to get the job done right. Then there's refrigerant levels. This is critical for cooling performance. Low refrigerant can mean leaks, and that's a job for a certified technician. Remember, refrigerants like R-32 can't just be handled by anyone. It's actually a legal requirement for a pro to take care of it. And don't forget the ductwork. Leaks or poor insulation in your ducts can lead to major energy loss. A quick inspection for gaps and proper sealing can make a world of difference in efficiency. Now let's talk about system controls. Test your thermostat and system settings regularly to make sure everything's cycling correctly. It's the little things that keep your system running smoothly. Seasonal maintenance is also important. In spring and summer, prep your AC by cleaning the outdoor condenser unit and checking refrigerant levels. For autumn and winter, don't skip inspecting the furnace burners and heat exchangers. And of course, replace those air filters again. Now here's something you might see on your system: BTU and CO2 ratings. BTU stands for British Thermal Units. That's how much heat your system can remove from a room in an hour. CO2 is a newer efficiency rating. Higher numbers mean better energy savings. Easy, right? Of course, there are times when DIY just won't cut it. If you're dealing with refrigerant handling, electrical issues, or ongoing performance problems, it's time to call a certified professional. Safety first, always. So, there you have it. With regular maintenance and a little know-how, your R-32 AC system will keep your home cool, energy efficient, and worry-free. Take care of it and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching, and here's to a cool and comfortable home.